Then he was brought before the king. And the king said, "You shall never have my daughter, unless in 8 days you dig away the hill that stops the view from my window." Now this hill was so big that the whole world could not take it away. And when he had worked for 7 days, and had done very little, the fox came and said, "Lie down and go to sleep. I will work for you." And in the morning he awoke, and the hill was gone. So he went merrily to the king, and told him that now that it was removed, he must give him the princess. Then the king was obliged to keep his word. And away went the young man and the princess. And the fox came and said to him, "We will have all 3, the princess, the horse, and the bird." "Ah," said the young man, "that would be a great thing. But how can you contrive it?"